Hey everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss how we can migrate the location of the Ollama that we install in our local machines, right? So there might be some instances where your machine does not have enough spaces. Let's say that the default C drive, right? So where the application gets installed. So in that case, whenever you are trying to download any new model, so let's say there are hundreds of models, right? Open source models, and some of them might be in GBs, right? Gigabytes. So in that case, if you want to install multiple models in your local machine, in that case the memory gets consumed, right, in your C drive. So in that case, if you have any another drive, in that case what you can do, you can do a sim link, or create a link between the C drive and the other drives, so that the C drive does not get consumed the moment you try to uh, download a newer model in your local machine. So there's a trick for that. So I'll just open this note for you. Um, if you see the first step, it's that once you download that ollama.exe file from the internet, so you try to install it, right? So basically, once the installation is done, automatically the installation will be happening in the C drive. So do not interrupt that installation, let it continue. After that, once the installation is completed, what you can do, you can close that Ollama application. So once the installation is completed, the Ollama application, it starts up, right? So in that case, what you can do, you can close that application. And once you close the application, you have to go to this particular location, right? So C drive users, whatever username you are having in that app data local programs, okay? You have to go to this particular location, right? In that location, you'll find a Ollama folder over there. So that is basically the folder, base directory which gets created whenever you are installing that particular application, Ollama application. So once you are into that directory, just cut that particular Ollama folder and paste it to your particular directory. In my case, let's say it is under D drive programs Ollama, right? So I can do a paste over here in this particular drive. So once you paste that particular directory or the folder, what you can do, you can close all the windows, and then you have to open the command prompt as an administrator, and then you have to type out this command. So this is basically, it's trying to create a link between that particular C drive where it was initially there whenever you install that particular Ollama application, and to your newer directory. So basically, whenever the in the future, whenever you're trying to pull any new models or install any new models in your machine, so automatically those models will be coming up in the D drive, right? So in that case, your C drive will not get consumed. So this is basically a very useful trick where you can download multiple models in your local machine, in some other directory apart from that C drive, right? So I think following this link, even I have followed this link. This is working perfectly for me. So if you follow these particular steps, I think you can download multiple models in your local machine. So I think that's all for this today's video. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.